Well, you guys saw Mike take off in the truck. Where's he headed? We're headed to go and get the truck on the dyno. Yep, we're gonna see how much horsepower it makes. And then we have another thing we're gonna do. We're gonna change the cam afterwards. And see what we can make with a new Schneider Cam. So stick around, everybody. So we're here at Showroom Shine to put the truck.
Showroom Shine / dyno.
Yep, on the chassis dyno, see what this pig makes. And then what are we gonna do, Mike?
Are we gonna reveal it? Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
All right. Well, we're gonna go put one of these in. That's right. Schneider cams, baby.
You remember we went to Schneider and talked to those guys. Well, we have a Schneider Cam, so the old cluster truck's going to get a little extra oomph from the cam.
Yeah, and then we can actually fly that proud.
Totally represent, right? Because the cam that's in it right now, we have no idea what it is.
I was gonna say, do we even know what it is?
No.
I don't think we even know yet.
Nope, no idea.
No idea.
Yeah, the white side pipes are definitely looking better, I think.
White side pipes are cool.
Yeah.
I do like it.
Yeah, so
today we're gonna get a baseline. We're gonna maybe play with some timing, maybe play with some jets, and see what we can get out of the combo that we have. And then we will do some cam swapping and maybe some carb swapping, not sure 100%, and probably a different exhaust, and we'll see what we gain with those changes. So that's the plan.
sweet.
Yeah. Next on E85. We've also never mixed E85 and gas to see.
I mean, that definitely smells like gasoline to me.
All right, well, when you backed up, it smelled like 85 to me.
I don't know.
It could be the paint on the exhaust pipe too.
It could be that too, because they're freshly painted.
I mean, I
maybe.
think what is really causing this is when I took off from the house, the thing was kind of blubbering and spitting and sputtering and kind of falling on its face like it was too rich. And then I even stopped and pulled off and told Mike, I was like, jump in this thing and see what you think. And we were kind of on the train of thought that it might have just been a sticky float in that back carburetor.
Well, it should be lean if you put E85 in.
Right.
Right. So do you guys have sniffers or do you have
Yeah, we
bungs?
can put a wide band in it.
Okay.
With clip-ons?
I've got bungs.
Oh, we'll just
We have both.
We'll thread one in and then.
Yeah,
Okay.
I got bungs.
Yep, we got both.
We'll
It'd be more
just
reliable.
do that. But
Okay.
we may have to pull all the fuel out of the.
I mean,
Yeah, that's lean as fuck, and you know.
exactly. That's simple, right? I mean,
We can make power.
we got a big pump on this thing, dude. It'll drain fast. We'll just pull a fuel line
Twice
and
as fast as you
yeah,
used to.
just pump it right out.
Into what? I don't know.
We'll figure that out.
Yeah. All right. What do you think, Mike? You want to take the front end off?
Might as well.
You can get to everything easier that way.
Yeah, and it's not that big of a deal to pin it back on, so.
And at least it's like you have to get to the whatever.
Right.
Boy, I'm sure glad we put this quick connect on here for the lights.
You and me both.
That makes it nice.
That does make it nice. Pull these first and then. Good?
Yep.
All right, and then.
You tilt it forward and take them out, or just?
I don't know. Yeah, maybe tilt it back
That's
and let it
tilt
rest. Take the weight off and then see if we can get them out that way.
Getting greased.
Oh my God. Yeah. Nope. All right, we're going to get a hammer and a punch. I'll be right back.
That tool's in here.
That's
Yeah,
right.
Chris.
Forgot about that. Never mind.
Got a crescent wrench, because that makes great hammers. The French wrench.
Croissant wrench.
Hey, this thing's got dipstick in it. Does that mean it's not a real race truck? Yeah, it does. Yeah, I need to brace it off something. I love my socket. Someday I'd like to have my socket back. Not gonna ever use that one, but. Yep.
Yeah, I figured I'd just let it pivot on that, and then Matt can, or somebody can grab it and wiggle it out. Yep. Voila.
Right here.
For now.
Watch the paint.
For now.
Race car-ish.
It never gets old. Especially when Mike's in front of it.
Nope.
It's editing. I'm good with that.
And so it must not be 85, huh?
Let's see what the air fuel looked pretty lean from where I was watching it at.
Dude, it was taking a hot minute to get to 7.
Yeah.
I don't even know if I made it.
Yeah, it was 16, 15.1.
It's pretty lean.
Yeah, we're looking for like 12.5, 12.8.
Yeah, and it is not known to be running lean. Mike.
Yeah.
It's way lean. Way lean.
Alright.
I think it's got 85 in it.
Yeah, because 12.5 plus 30% is about 16.1, so. Sorry about the air fuel we're seeing.
Right now, we're going to drain it and go get some fuel.
Yeah, I think that's what we got to do.
I mean, the only other thing would be to
Pinch that off and try it?
and make sure that's not.
Yeah, okay. Need to do just a pair.
Try that and just, I won't go as hard.
Yeah, just watch the air fuel, and if it's creeping around that 15 after you're on it for about a second, just abort it.
Get off of it.
Yeah. Hey, Derek, can you get some vice grips real quick and pull that out?
There's vice grips in there.
Still have like a
Is there?
effect
Is there?
Yeah.
There might be some vice grips over in our toolbox. Here we go.
He's got some there.
I got some.
Oops.
Cluster truck fashion.
Oops.
We mixed some E85 by accident in the gas, so it was running like, what do you say, 16:2 or something?
Yeah, roughly
Air
15
fuel.
to 16 to 1 air fuel ratio.
And it changed the headers for a minute. The headers were orange again. I've never seen that.
Lean.
So you can see we're emptying the gas, the E85 out of it.
Emptying the gas,
and Matt's
alcohol
getting,
combo.
yeah, and Matt's getting some 93.
It's starting to fatten up towards the end of it.
I don't think I seen it go to 16, but it was still hovering there.
Yeah, I mean,
Probably still gas in the bowls.
Should I just fire it up and just run it for a minute on the rollers?
yeah, I probably would.
Okay.
you call?
380.
Huh?
379.
We'll put another 2 degrees in it?
Hell yeah! Don't ask questions back.
What are we doing?
We're going from this little orifice to this big orifice.
Probably too big, right?
Probably slightly, yes.
Said
but
no one ever.
So,
that's not,
Yeah.
until the air fuel, till the oxygen sensor says, excuse me, mister.
Yeah, let's just see what the screen says.
Right on. So we made
379. I'm just going to call it 380 because I know how to do math and how to round up. So, what was the torque? I didn't even look.
I don't even.
Yeah,
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Almost the same. Yeah. Nice.
All right. Well, we'll get this carburetor back on. Not going to change the timing. We advanced 2 degrees on timing, and it made a difference of the previous one was 343.
I thought it was 330 something, so it made a difference of 40 to 50 horse.
Yeah. We advanced, or we retarded the timing. Sorry.
Yeah.
Retarded the timing. And it went to 330.
30 something. Yeah, we took it back a couple of degrees.
Took it back to what we were at, which is who knows what.
Right.
And added 2. So
Yep.
2 degrees advanced from where we're at, and that's when it went to 379. But it's ragged edge
Of being too lean.
So we're going to fatten it up. Not going to change timing and see what it does.
well, 13 and a half is ideal for, you know, cruising, fuel mileage kind of bull crap. But that's not
Which
working.
Matt doesn't have that in his pedal.
No, or my mouth.
Or his mouth. That's true.
That's the truest thing you've said ever.
All right, well, let's get this thing on there. I wouldn't pump it. Down 5.
557, so something like that.
It might be. Huh? You want to change the timing? Yeah. All right. To make 379. I think so too.
I think it wants to make 379. I don't know if anybody said that yet.
You were closest. You're off by 6.
That's what I told her. I said give or take 6. Either way.
Did he?
And what's the torque, Justin? 350 power.
How's the air fuel ratio?
It's a little fat.
Yeah.
So, especially after 6,200 RPMs, but it's also where it looks like that cam's probably falling off.
Yeah. But these heads are supposed to be good for, they're supposed to have over 600 lift. This cam's like is measured like 550 or 560.
Okay.
So the heads aren't matched with the cam on this one.
And it's not terrible throughout the pool. It drops down to 12.3, 12.5. It kind of climbs back up about 12.9, 12.8, which is about perfect.
Yeah,
Then
that's
right
pretty
about
good.
6,200 starts taking down.
Yeah, that's a pretty good baseline. Do you think?
Oh yeah.
You want to fiddly screw around with the 660s or nah? You want to put the 660s on it or nah? Okay, we'll call it. All right, cool.
Well, I mean, then we're done.
Yep.
Tonight.
Yep.
Doesn't make any sense to put 660s on here,
No.
take them off and put those back on, and take them off and put 660s back on.
Right.
If it wasn't dinner time, yes, it would be feasible.
Matt's hungry.
I've only slept 3 hours today.
Really?
Oh yeah, I can't sleep.
That's a third shifter for you.
Yep. So that's probably what, 425 at the crank?
Yeah, maybe.
Pretty close.
Yeah. All right, so 379, playing around with timing and jets. It just wants to make 379. So stick around, cam change is next, and we'll see what it's gonna make with a bigger cam to match these heads. There's 7 days in a week, some day isn't one of them.